Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create brushstroke designs in Canva. So I'm going to look at a few different options for you today. So the first one is going to be using frames. So if I type in frames, and then I can have a look at all the different frames, and I can type in brushstroke to narrow it down. So brushstroke frames, and you can see lots of different sort of brushstroke frames come up. So I'm just going to add that to my canvas. I can drag it a little bit bigger. I can move it around if I want. Then I can add any photo or image to this. It will fit exactly into the brushstroke design. I'll show you what I mean. So you can upload your own photos. We use photos from Canva. You can see my cat has been added to the brushstroke design. So I'm just going to open a new page. Then I'm going to add my little cat here. I'm just going to show you another option. So you can add like brushstroke detail to photos if you want to. So I've got my cat here. I'm going to click on him, click on edit. Then in the tool section, I'm going to click on see all. And I'm going to click on magic edit. So you can describe what edits you want and AI will do its magic. So I've got a prompt here. I'm just going to say, turn this background into dynamic, colorful brush strokes. So you can put in whatever you want. It's totally up to you. I'm asking Canva AI to turn the background of the cat into sort of like brush strokes with lots of different colors. So let's see what it comes up with. Hey. So there you go. You can see my cat has now got a bit more of a colorful background. It's sort of paint brush strokes in like rainbow colors, so it makes him really stand out there. I think it looks pretty cool, but you can play around with that and add in different edits if you don't like what you see, and add different brush strokes even to the cat, things like that, and just see what you come up with. So that's it. That's how to add brush stroke designs in Canva. Hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.